Hey, I'm Ravon.
And I'm Chloe for University, the place where college is seen.
Chloe, University is the college scene.
Fair enough. As Will Smith says, welcome to Miami. We're here catching some rays before we catch a tour of the U.
Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Viewers, today I tell you about the University of Miami in USA. Miami University, Oxford is a public institution that was founded in 1809. It has a total undergraduate enrollment of 16,522 fall 2020. Its settings is rural and the campus size is 2,100 acres. It utilizes a semester-based academic calendar. Miami University Oxford ranking in the 2022 edition of Best Colleges in National University 103. It is state tuition and fees are 16,705 USD, out of state tuition and fees 37,379 USD. Admission system. Miami University Oxford admission is more selective with an acceptance rate of 92% and an early acceptance rate of 97.7%. Academies. The student-faculty ratio at Miami University Oxford is 17:1 and the school has 34.1% of its classes with fewer than 20 students. The most popular majors at Miami University Oxford included finance, general marketing, marketing finance. The average freshman relation rules at includer of students satisfaction is 91%. Student life. Miami University Oxford has total undergraduate enrolled of 16,522 falls 2020 with a gender distribution of 49% male students and 51% female students. Miami University is most popular university in USA. Miami University take care every students. Miami University student life status. Total enrollment 18,1880 falls 2020. Miami University student live campus 27%. Viewers, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more videos in future.
Activities both inside the classroom and outside the classroom.
Miami University is a mid-sized public institution in Oxford, Ohio, and we are really an institution that is unique. Everything from the experiences